guys, for today's video, mag-explore tayo sa Haunted Garden. Kasi guys, gusto lang namin, part 3 guys. Kung hindi nyo pa napapanood yung part 1, punta kayo sa YouTube. Ang pangalan is Maria Jessica de la Cruz. I-upload na namin yung part 2 maya-maya. So, let's go na. Dito kami dadaan kasi may ganyan.
Today's video, mag-explore na naman kami. Kasama
Eto.
namin si Krista Ordones.
Kasama namin
We're
to.
going to explore again. As I was saying, we're going to explore the Haunted Garden. So let's start. We're going to
Guys, dito kami dadaan. Guys, ayan guys, ang haunted house. Tignan nyo naman, no. Bakit may ganito? Ayan guys,
Let's start now. Let's start. Sorry, wait lang ako.
What is this? May ice cream guys dito. Guys. So, may mga bote, oh. Kanino ba yan? Tapos ito guys. So, ayaw namin pumunta doon guys, so, kasi because natatakot kami. Ayan, guys. Okay, so 3 AM lang ng gabi. Napuyat na naman kami. Alam po. Pwede ka umakyat dito. Ay, bawal. Guys, eto pa guys, i-explore ko to. Ayan guys, so sira na, sira. Guys, ano to guys? Ayan si MJ, oh.
Oh, hello.
So, may ice cream dito. Hindi ko alam kung kanino. Yan guys, oh. Ano to guys? Kulungan?
There's a cage in there.
Guys, comment nyo daw below kung gusto nyo pumunta kami dito. Make sure nakasubscribe kayo guys.
Yeah.
Kakasimula namin na mag-vlog. Kakasimula lang kaming gumawa ng channel namin. Yan guys, oh. Nakakatakot.
This
Guys, oh, tingnan nyo sky.
trees again, trees, and how was it? I guess.
Guys, hindi tayo pwede dyan, oh. Kasi may dirt. Ay, guys. Ito guys, oh. Ayan ang...
There's a snail.
Tignan nyo guys, walang katao-tao na, oh. So guys, sino naglagay dyan? Baka siguro, guys. Haunted, lang yan, tricycle.
Oh wait, I didn't know this.
Ano to, guys?
The Oreo,
Bruh. Baka nandito.
Oreo ice cream. I don't know.
Guys, tignan nyo guys. Ayan ang yung
Why there's a dog in there? Why there's a dog in there?
baka nagkataon lang may dog or wala.
Maybe. Oh, I know. Maybe.
Guys, ano yun? So, ito lang yung namin guys. Ito. Short explore lang guys. So, ito na nga. Ayan guys, oh. Punta tayo dun. Ayan guys. Tingnan nyo naman. So, ito na ang part 3. So, magbababay na ako guys. Bye-bye guys. Kung gusto nyo pa ng part 5 pala, comment lang kayo dyan at saka mag-subscribe. So, bye-bye guys.